Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit YouTube shorts like a pro. Want to create viral YouTube shorts with cool effects, transitions, and text overlays? In this video, I'll show you how to edit shorts like a pro using free apps. So let's dive into these steps together. The first step is choosing an editing app. Now let's go to Play Store. Let's search for some of these apps. The first app I'm gonna tell you is CapCut. Let's see here. Search for CapCut. You can find CapCut. This app is best for beginners, and it includes free templates, and it's easy to use. You can also find VN Editor. Or InShot, or now InShot is perfect for text and effects, while VN Editor is it has easy timeline editing. Now for advanced users, you can use Adobe's Premium Rush. And just download these apps and you can look for tutorials on how to use them and know the details and the steps on how to do each of these steps. Now for the second step is to import your video. Just open your chosen app, the one you downloaded. Like you can download any of the previous options I gave you. After that, import your raw footage and ensure your video is vertical. That means 19:16 aspect ratio, so it can be uploaded as a short. The third step is to trim and cut for paste editing and remove unnecessary parts to keep video engaging. And you can also use cuts to maintain attention. The fourth step is to add text and captions. Use dynamic fonts to highlight key points and place captions near the center of the screen to keep them visible. The fifth step is to add music and sound effects, and you can use YouTube's audio library or the editing app as built-in music, and adjust the audio volume to match the vibe of the video. For the sixth and final step, you can export in HD. Export your videos in 1080 pixels and 30 or 60 fps for best quality. And for additional tips, keep your videos under 60 seconds to qualify for a short, and use jump cuts and zoom ins for more engaging style, and add hashtag shorts in the title or description for more reach. And that's it. Now you know how to edit YouTube shorts like a pro. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.